of your life, you've been brainwashed. And no, I don't mean by some secret cult. I mean by the world. By your parents. By school. By society's version of success. And the scariest part? You don't even realize it. You didn't choose the way you think. That voice in your head. You didn't install it. It was downloaded, piece by piece, when you were too young to defend yourself. The fear of failure. That came from being yelled at for getting a B. The belief that you're not enough. That's the echo of someone else's insecurity. Your habits, your self-worth, your ceiling. They were all programmed by someone else's limitations. You think you're in control. Let me ask you this. Why do you scroll aimlessly, even when you have work to do? Why do you say, "I'll start tomorrow," and never do? Why do you self-sabotage the moment you start seeing progress? It's not because you're weak. It's because your subconscious has been trained to chase dopamine, to fear discomfort, to repeat what's familiar, even if it's killing you. Start small. Feed your mind the thoughts you want to live in. Tell your body how a winner moves. Show your brain what consistency feels like. Because once you brainwash yourself for good, you won't just believe in change. You'll be the change. If this hit home, don't just watch another video. Rewatch this one every morning for 7 days. That's your new program.